What's up guys, welcome to another video. Today we're going to be painting the 1979 Ford F-100 UDR body. This body is already cut out, so all you have to do is just make the holes for the screws to mount to the car, mask it, and paint it. The first thing that we're going to be doing is drawing our design on the outside on the clear film, and then we can mask it out. This paint job was inspired by the 4-wheel parts McMillan truck, but on this paint job we're going to be doing orange and blue instead. Just finished all the masking. Looks pretty good. Took a long time and was pretty hard, but it will turn out good. And the colors we're going to be using, going to be first spray painting the blue, then white, and then last this bright kind of cream orange. And now we can start painting. First color we're going to use is blue PS3. Just finished the blue. Now we're going to take off the tape where we're going to paint white. Gonna have to retape some spots, but now we're going to paint white. We can take off the rest of the masking and finish it off with the orange. Paint is all done, and now we can go inside and take out the outer film and put some stickers on. This body came out amazing. Check it out. Thank you so much for stopping by. This body came out awesome. Really stoked on it. If you like what we're doing here, building our C-cars, dirt bikes, cars, it's super fun. Click that subscribe button and the notification bell if you want to be notified for cool videos like this one. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.